Supreme Court justices don't face any consequences for corrupt or overtly political behavior. That's because they are the only federal judges not bound by a code of ethics. Without any accountability, the Supreme Court will continue to pose a threat to our democracy. Take Justice Clarence Thomas and his wife Ginny. When the House Select Committee investigating the January 6 insurrection subpoenaed Trump-era White House records, the former president tried to make the Supreme Court stop them. Justice Thomas was the lone vote to bar these key documents from being investigated. But Justice Thomas had a clear conflict of interest. His wife, Ginny, was deeply involved in the 2020 election disinformation campaign and attempts to overturn its outcome.
A bedrock principle of the justice system in this country is that judges avoid even the appearance of conflict of interest.
This is but one example of a long history of unethical behavior by Supreme Court justices that has weakened public confidence in their ability to act fairly and impartially. It doesn't have to be this way. There is legislation to reform the Supreme Court's ethics rules. We can work together to rebuild trust in our highest court, and Congress could hold the justices accountable for the oath they took to act impartially and uphold the Constitution. With confidence in the Supreme Court at an all-time low and our democracy in peril, it has never been more important for the Supreme Court to be bound by an enforceable code of ethics. Learn more about the need for a Supreme Court code of ethics.